couchwasabi's, welcome back to another EO Spotlight video. So for today, I will be sharing with you my thoughts on Young Living's Freedom Blend. This is actually a proprietary blend from Gary Young before he passed away. And if this is something that you'd want to learn about, please keep watching. Alright, so let's just check out the literature behind this blend, okay? So this is formulated by Gary Young to help people rise above life's challenges. Exclusive to the 2018 International Grand Convention, which is also like the theme oil for our 2018 Philippines Grand Launch opening. I think they've repacked it for the Philippine Grand Opening, but this was actually released initially, exclusively for the 2018 convention. This blend promotes feelings of emotional freedom. It's grounding and relaxing, and with every purchase, $3 will be donated to the Gary Young Foundation to help empower the underserved to reach new heights. Okay, so Freedom invites a release of life's burdens with its grounding aroma. Freedom features the earthy depth of rue, valerian, palo santo, and vetiver, and the nurturing accents of lavender and copaiba masterfully combined with nature's base notes of peppermint, Idaho blue spruce, and sacred frankincense. So it's actually like a powerhouse blend of all the expensive grounding oils with your common lavender and copaiba. So it's relaxing. At the same time, it's invigorating because it has peppermint, it has spruce, and it has frankincense. So let me just take a whiff. It smells like a temple, not in a bad way. It smells like a temple. So it instantly gives that feeling of warm hug when you smell it. It's calming. It's very comforting. Let me just check if this is diluted. Okay. I think it is diluted because it says caprylic triglycerides. And then before you go to copaiba, lavender, sacred frankincense, vetiver, and other things. So, wait, it says here it's 100% pure essential oil for the rest, but there's the first ingredient, I think it's the carrier oil. And I would assume that this is not safe for diffusing because of that carrier oil. Okay, Freedom Essential Oil was formulated exclusively by Gary Young for his foundation as a crucial component of the Freedom Sleep and Release collection bundle that are not available for purchase anymore. This peace-promoting blend is offered exclusively in 5 ml size also for the convention. And yeah, so yun lang. So one of the highlights of this oil is that it has valerian, it has rue, which is like the powerhouse oil if you have insomnia, if you have difficulty in sleeping. I think this will help you. And valerian is known worldwide as an anti-insomnia plant. So if you're having a hard time sleeping, free yourself from insomnia and try this oil. And okay, so during the past 3 decades, valerian has been clinically investigated for its tranquilizing effects on the central nervous system. The plant is said to ease restlessness and calm tension, allowing you to face your day. Known for freedom, encourages a positive energy flow throughout the body. How to apply it? Apply 2 drops on the soles of your feet and just move around forward. So just 2 drops on the soles of your feet. Since this is already pre-diluted, you can use this neat. So you can drop 2 drops directly from the bottle onto your skin and just spread it out. It's great that you apply it on your big toe because that's your VitaFlex point if you want to tackle restlessness or insomnia. That's what I use. And as regards to the smell, it's not something you'd want to diffuse all the time, to be honest. But it, like the first whiff gave me that warm feeling. And yes, it is relaxing. So, if you are someone who's having difficulty in sleeping, Luckily, ako hindi naman ganon. I can sleep anytime I want. But if you are, I think this will help you. It's affordable. This is available in the local catalog, so it's very accessible. I'm just not sure as to how much, but you can check your Young Living catalog. And yeah, I guess that's all for today. There's not much info about freedom. That's why it kind of attracted me to it. If you have any other Young Living oils that you'd want me to talk about, or you'd want me to check and purchase and check out and maybe try out, drop them down through the comments below. I'd love to see your inputs. And yeah, starting now, I won't be announcing on my title if there's a giveaway hidden in the video, just like my last EO Spotlight, wherein there was actually a giveaway, and therefore konti lang yung naka-join, so there's a higher chance of winning. So if you're a follower of this channel, you just have to keep your eyes peeled. If you really want to learn about essential oils, you will be rewarded. Anyway, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account up here. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!